Kaizer Chiefs family, football lovers, welcome to Mlexi Entertainment. Here we discuss the trending and all the relevant news regarding Kaizer Chiefs. Abafana bokuthula noxolo. It has been reported that Rowan Human, who has become a free agent, has been offered to both Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates. Who do you think is going to sign him between these two teams? Will it be Kaizer Chiefs or Orlando Pirates? Or none of them? For those who do not know who Rowan Human is, he was playing for Amazulu, and this is how he looks like. Yes, he is young, and yes, he's 24 years old. He's a South African. He's an attacking midfielder who's currently contracted to Amazulu, but will be a free agent when this month ends. You know, when you look at things, doesn't it seem like Kaizer Chiefs is busy poaching Orlando Pirates players these days? I mean, they've been linked with Monyane, they've been linked with Paseka Mako, and they've also been linked with Monapule Saling. Well, it is rumored that Paseka Mako has already signed for Kaizer Chiefs. But are they signing these players because they are free agents or they've been poaching them all along? Well, we don't know. What I do know is that Kaizer Chiefs is interested in signing a striker from Slovakia. They're interested in Robert Polivka, who is a Slovakian striker who managed to score 4 goals in 26 games. What do you think about those stats? Is he a good enough striker for Chiefs? Should they pursue him or look for other strikers? Because we do know that we are all well aware that Kaizer Chiefs is looking to bolster their attacking force. They are looking for good strikers. They are looking for good finishers, because we've seen what has been happening in the past seasons. They've been failing to convert easy goals, easy opportunities into goals. So should they pursue the striker who managed to score 4 goals in 26 games, or should they look elsewhere? What do you think about that? This is Robert Polivka. He's a 29-year-old Slovak striker whose current team is MTK Budapest. And yes, he is not a free agent. I know that it has been trending the Chiefs likes to sign free agents, but this one is not a free agent. He currently has a contract with Budapest which will expire on 2027, which means the Chiefs will have to buy him if they are really interested. If they are really interested in signing this striker. But I don't think he's good enough. You know, the stats don't lie, guys. If they say he's got only 4 games in 26 games, well, that's another rang achiever video for us. I think it's wise or better for us to look for another striker. This one, I don't think it's good enough. Hey guys, we still have this Monapule Saling mystery. I'm referring to it as a mystery because it is really mysterious. We really don't know what is happening regarding Monapule Saling. There are rumors that he signed a pre-contract with Kaizer Chiefs. At the same time, there are also rumors that he is still training with Orlando Pirates. You know. Hey, we really don't know what is happening with Monapule Saling. It really is a mystery. I guess we will find out the truth once the transfer season or transfer market closes. We will then know what really is happening with Monapule Saling. Moving on, I have what one may refer to as bad news. To me, it is bad news. Well, two of my best players at Kaizer Chiefs, two of the players that I regard as some of the best players at Chiefs, are leaving Kaizer Chiefs. One is Edson Castillo, and the other one is George Matlow. Well, we saw how good Edson Castillo was on his first season at Kaizer Chiefs, scoring good diving header goals, and then he got injured and couldn't play. Matlow was also injured, but when he came back, we saw how good of a player he is. Well, it's sad. It is sad that they are leaving Kaizer Chiefs. I thought they would be part of Nabi's plans, knowing how good they've been towards the team. It is also rumored that Yusuf Maat, our captain, is also leaving Kaizer Chiefs at the end of June. Well, I'm saying it's rumors because it has not been confirmed if Yusuf Maat is really leaving or not, but there are rumors that he's one of the players who will be leaving Kaizer Chiefs at the end of June. Hey, Castillo is a good player. He scored beautiful diving header goals on his first season at Chiefs, but then he got injured. Hey. And also George Matlow, he was injured for a very long time, but when he came back, he showed us that he is quality. But unfortunately, I guess he just didn't impress the coach or the management. I will miss them at Kaizer Chiefs. Ladies and gentlemen, Amakhosi Faithfuls, thank you very much for your time. That's all I had for you today. Until we meet again.